I am a real estate agent and property manager. By actually attending and with great minds that have been involved in the industry for a while, it's given me access to information, problem-solving ability that I didn't have, and just ways to kind of discover workarounds. So it's important to have those options today. Now, anytime you purchase real estate, which is a big ticket item, there are risks. And just knowing how to help people minimize their risk, protect their assets and their you need that now more than ever. The speakers are amazing. They have amazing knowledge to offer based on their experience. And it kind of adds to my own experience because they've made some mistakes to help me prevent making those mistakes. So it's phenomenal. One of the reasons why I find this invaluable is because everybody needs a team. We all say with a team, everyone achieves more. And when you have the right people a part of your team, and you know what that right people team looks like, it can definitely help you win when markets are changing. Whether you are the investor, whether you are a real estate agent looking at for options for your clients, it's an important place to be to actually have that access and get information on what to do with it once you have that access.